Hello everyone, very good morning children. Welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools. How are you all? Are you all fine? Fine, very good. As you know children, today is the second day of our class, right? So welcome back to the class children. I hope you remember first day also I have shared this cover page picture, right children? So once again I am sharing this just to make you remember more clearly, okay children? Right, hope you all are with your textbooks. Let's move to the lesson children. As you know that first lesson already we have started in our first online class only, right children? So what is the lesson name here? About me. What we have studied in the last class? We have studied about me lesson, right? In this what is showing? Somebody is there, she is doing her introduction, right? Did you remember children? Right. What she was saying? She was saying my name is Reena and she was a girl. And how old was she? She was 5 years old. And what was her best friend's name? Best friend name is Sheena. What she loved to do? Tell me children, do you remember what Reena loves to do? Right, Reena loves to do coloring. Very good children. Now what was Reena's brother name? Reena का brother name का क्या था children यहाँ पर? Mehul, right. He was a boy. And how old he was? He was how old children? 7 years old. Good. What was the best friend name of Mehul? Mehul's best friend name is what? Hemant. Right children. What they all do together? They all play together. Good. So hope you all remembered our last topic. Now let's move to the next page children. See children, this was the page number 5. Right children. Now come to the next page. Turn the page of your textbook. So you will be entering in next page. This is the page number 6. Okay children. I hope you all have come on this page, right? So children, in our last class we have seen that Reena was giving her introduction, right? And even we have learned and रीना को देखकर हम भी कुछ सीखे हैं कि किस तरह से हमको अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. इफ़ अगर कोई आपका नेम पूछ रहे हैं तो आप उसको किस तरह से रिप्लाई करोगे, आपकी एज कैसे बताओगे, आपका स्कूल नेम एंड योर फ्रेंड एंड योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड एक्सेट्रा, राइट चिल्ड्रेन. सो हियर वी विल ट्राई. Can you able to see this box here children? Okay, what we have to do? Now tell us about yourself. See that heading children. Now tell us about yourself. अब यहाँ पर क्या करना है हमको? हमारे बारे में बोलना है children. Okay. So shall we start? In this what we have to do? We have to give our information. What is our name and what we are, whether boy or a girl. And how old are we, and what is our mother name and father name and school name, and in which class we are studying, which section, and what is our telephone number. Phone number will be there, no children? Our mother and father, our mom and dad, they will have a phone, right? So that phone number we have to write. My birthday is on, when is your birthday? You have to say this, right? Shall we start children? And what is your best friend name? Interesting, right? So let's begin with the first line children, okay? See this first line, we are in this line, okay? Now, my name is. See children, you have to fill here your information, okay? आपको यहाँ पर आपकी information देना है कि आपका name क्या है, ये सब आपके बारे में लिखना है children, okay? So first blank is my name is. Now you have to write your name there children. अब आपको आप लिखना है. Now if your name is, what is your name? You have to write. I hope you all know the spellings of your name, right children? If you don't know, you can ask your parents, you can ask your sister and brother elder, and you can write children, okay? See, I am writing one name. My name I am writing. My name is Samreen. So you have to write your name, children. आप अपना name लिखिए वहाँ पर. Okay. Can you repeat your name? I request to parents, please check out whether they are writing correctly or not. Please. Did you complete it, children? What is your name? It means my name is. You have to write your name. I hope you all have completed writing part. Now children, if somebody asked you, अगर आपको कोई पूछेंगे, what is your name बेटे? So how will you reply them? You have to copy this first line. You have to say this line. My name is dash. It means your name is, suppose Sania. My name is Sania. If you are a boy, my name is Ayan. You have to write like, say them. Okay children? Did you finish writing first blank? Very good. Now come to the second one, children. Read that second one. I am a. Now you have to write whether you are a boy or girl. You have to select out of these two and you have to write, children. Okay. If you are a boy, tick on that boy and write B-O-Y, boy. Okay children. Now what we have to write in second blank? Whether we are a boy or girl. If you are boy, write B-O-Y, boy. Tick on that boy and copy this same in that blank, children. Okay. If you are a girl, you have to write G-I-R-L. Okay children? Boy, girl. Next, what is our third blank one? See students, I am dash years old. In our first class also I have said you, how old are you? You have to write. Usually we first class students will be 6 years old, 7 years old. Okay children? So write here, how old are you? Ask your parents, how old are you? If you don't know, if you are 6 years old, you can write over there 6. Okay children? If you are 7 years old, you write 7. If you are 8 years old, you write 8. Out of these, you can select and write, children. Okay. How old are you? I am 6 years old. And अगर आप 7 years के हैं तो आपको लिखना है I am 7 years old. And अगर आप 8 years के हैं तो आपको लिखना है I am 8 years old. Did you finish writing, children? Right. Let's see this 3. My name is. I hope you all have written your names, right? My name is. You have to write your name, children. आपको वहाँ पर अपना name लिखना है. Second blank is I am a dash. Boy और girl. अगर आप boy है तो वहाँ पर boy fill करेंगे और अगर आप girl है तो वहाँ पर आप girl fill करेंगे. Okay, children? Third one, I am dash years old. अब आप कितने years के हैं आपको वो लिखना है, children, वहाँ पर. Okay? Suppose I am 7 years old. Did you finish? Right. My mother name is. Now you have to write your mother's name. My mother's name is. See children, everybody will have their mother and father, right? And they will be having the particular names also. हम सबके mom and dad होते हैं and उन सबके भी names होते हैं, right? So that name we have to write here, children. What is your mom's name and what is your father's name, that you have to write. Okay. Fourth one, my mother's name is. Fill your mom name, children. आपके mom, आपके मम्मी का name वहाँ पर आपको mention करना है. If you don't know the spelling of your mother's name, you can ask to your parents also. आप अपने mom से पूछकर उनका name वहाँ पर लिख सकते हो. Okay, children. Now, fifth one, my father's name is. Now, मेरे father का name क्या है आपको वहाँ पर लिखना है. My father name is. मेरे father name है. You have to write. Okay. The name of my school is. I hope you all remember a school name. Right, children? The name of my school is. What is your school name, children? My school name is Phoenix International Group of Schools. What is our school name? Phoenix International Group of Schools. I will help you to fill this blank, children. What is our sixth answer? we have to write our school name. Okay, children? We have to write our school name. Right, students? Phoenix. What is this? Phoenix. What is Phoenix? INTER. Inter. NATIONAL. National. Phoenix International. Okay, children? GROUP. Group of schools. Right, children? Phoenix International Group of Schools. What is our school name? Phoenix International Group of Schools. Somewhat lengthy but interesting name, right, children? I hope you all have finished. Next, I am in class. Now, children, you have to mention your class. Okay, in which class you are studying? In our first online class also I have mentioned. We are in first class now. We have came from upper KG to first class. So this is I am in class first. How will you write first class, children? You have to write here first class. See, we have to write like this. I am in first class. And you are in which section, children? First class and section A. My telephone number is. Now, children, our mom and dad, they will have what they are having? They are having cell phones, right? Do you know cell phones? Our mobile phones, by which we can contact to each other, right, children? So our telephone number is. Now what's your telephone number? Your mother and father's telephone number. You have to write, children. Okay. You can ask to your parents and you can write. As I am writing my phone number 8125100993. Telephone number will be 10 digits, children. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So you can ask to your parents and fill in that details in your proforma. Okay, children. This is our telephone number. Now, my birthday is on. My birthday is on. Now, children, we have to fill here when is our birthday. हमारा birthday कब है? That date we have to write, children. Okay. So you can write over there any date. As I am writing one date. Okay, children. See, students, I am writing 1st Jan. So you can write your birth date. Okay. I hope you all have finished. Children, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can ask to your parents also. Last one, our students here. Dash is my best friend. And in our last lesson also we have seen, right? Rina's best friend was Sheena. And Mehul's best friend was Hemant. Now here we have to write our best friend name. So you fill your best friend name, children. Our best friend will be there, I said you. Who will help you in our hard times and who will help us in studying, right? So who is our best friend? We have to write that name. And you can see here, children, after writing this all, we have to paste our photograph. Okay, just stick one photograph of yourself in this box, children. Okay, paste your photograph here. So what we have done, children, in this one, we are giving our introduction. Okay, we have written our name. My name is. Now I will ask you question, children. You have to give me the answers by seeing from that box. Okay, children. My name is. Are you telling your names from there? Right. What is your name? You have to tell me. My name is. You have to write your name, and I hope you have written also. I am dash or a girl. You are a boy or a girl. Good. Those who are a boy, you have to tell me I am a boy. And if you are a girl, you have to tell me I am a girl. I am dash years old. You have to write how old are you. What is your mother name and what is your father name. That's good, children. The name of my school is, what is our school name? Yes, Phoenix International Group of Schools. I am in class. We are in which class, students? We are in first class now. Section A. What is our mother and father's telephone number? I hope you all have mentioned there, right? My birthday is on. When is your birthday? That date you have to mention, children. Dash is my best friend. And who is your best friend? We have to write that name. Did you understand, students? Right. Let's come to the next page. This is the page number 6, and now we will move to the page number 7. Now you see, students, on this page number 7, are you able to see one cake, right? Can you see this cake? Yes, this is our birthday cake. Which cake? This is our birthday cake. Now what we have to do, children? You see what he is saying? Draw as many candles on this cake as your age and color them with different colors. Now just now in our first this page, last page, we have done what? We have written my birthday is on. So by that you have to calculate how old are you, whether you are 6 years, 7 years or 8 years, you have to calculate, and do remember that. After coming to this page, ये केक पर आपको क्या करना है, स्टूडेंट्स? कैंडल्स ड्रॉ करना है. आप जितने ईयर्स के हो आपको उतने कैंडल्स वहाँ पर ड्रॉ करना है. अगर आप 6 ईयर्स के हो तो आपको वहाँ पर 6 कैंडल्स ड्रॉ करना है, एंड उसमें डिफरेंट कलर्स आपको फिल करने हैं. ओके. इफ़ यू आर 7 ईयर्स, उसमें 7 कैंडल्स ड्रॉ कीजिए एंड उसमें 7 डिफरेंट कलर्स फिल कीजिए. इफ़ यू आर 8 ईयर्स, डू सेम लाइक दैट. शैल वी डू हियर? ओके. So I am drawing one cake, children. You can see. So this is birthday cake. Okay. So this is our birthday cake, children. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to draw as many candles as my age. Now if I am 7 years old, what I will draw? I will draw 7 candles. Hope you all know, children, in our birthday what we will do? We will blow some candles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is last 7. So how many candles I have drawn, children? I have drawn 7 candles. So I am 7 years old. So I am drawing 7 कैंडल्स. हम 7 ईयर्स के इसीलिए वहाँ पर 7 कैंडल्स को ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. अब आप 6 ईयर्स के हो तो आप 6 कैंडल्स ड्रॉ कीजिए एंड उसमें डिफरेंट कलर्स फिल कीजिए. सी आई एम फिलिंग हियर ग्रीन कलर, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन आई एम फिलिंग इन दिस कैंडल this yellow color, and I am filling one more candle with purple color, and I am filling another candle with pink color, and I am filling another candle with green, one more time green color, and next candle I am filling with black color. Okay, last candle I am filling with green color. So how many candles, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total I have drawn 7 candles because our age is 7, so I am drawing 7. Now how old are you? You have to draw that many candles and fill that candles with different colors, children. Okay, that's good. I hope you all have completed, children. Okay, now what is our next bit? You can see this next bit. See this bit, children. Okay, what he is saying here? Can you see this also? This is our badge. What is this? This is badge. Fill in the blanks to make a batch for yourself. Now what we are doing? We are preparing one batch for ourselves. Can you tell me students what is the use of this batch? ये batch का students use क्या होगा? How we can use this batch? We can use this batch when we are studying in school, as well as when we go out with our parents and when we go out with our school friends, like we go to the school trips, right children? हम school trip पर जाते हैं, educational trip and all होता है. At that time we can use this batch, and when we go to picnic with our friends and families as well as with our school, so that we can use this batch. So we have to prepare this batch children, okay. So what we have to write in this batch? Your name you have to write, your school name, in which class you are studying and section, telephone number and bus number. Bus number meaning children, you travel to your home from your school in bus, right? In morning also as well as in the afternoon, okay. We travel through bus. So we have to write that particular bus number. Our school will have so many buses, right? Bus number 1, bus number 2, bus number 3, bus number 4. Now all the students cannot travel in one bus. For that we have to keep number of buses. So after keeping them, we will give them some numbers. Bus number 1, bus number 2, bus number 3, bus number 4, 5, 6, 7, like this bus number will be there. So we have to mention in which bus you are going, whether bus number 1 or bus number 2 or bus number 3. Suppose I am writing here bus number 1 I am going, okay. Address, what is our address, where we stay, that we have to write children, okay. So you can see here, I hope you all have understood to today's class, and now this is our homework children, okay. What is this? Homework. You can see here what has given in the homework. In homework, what we have to do? We have to prepare one batch. What we have to do children? We have to prepare one batch. As an example, I have prepared one batch for you. You can see, and same like this you can prepare children, okay. So can you see this batch students? Right. Class and batch, we have written name, school and etc. okay. So we have to prepare same batch like this, okay. And I have shared one picture also, you can see here. In this batch, what you have to write? Name, school name, class, section, telephone number, bus number and address. So all the students, you have to prepare this batch on one piece of a paper. ये आपको एक पेपर पर बनाना है, either A4 size paper or any other paper. Keep it, prepare it and keep it safe with you children, okay. Right. And what about our last homework students? Did you all finish our last class homework? What I have given you, you have to fill some details I said you, right? Hope you all have done, and some of you also have completed the homework and have sent me on my WhatsApp group also. That's very nice all of you. You are doing your homework. Keep it up and do your homework on time children, okay? Stay home and stay safe. Till then, take care and good luck everyone.